This is station LOVE, broadcasting a popular program on a wavelength of 6,545 meters, which is equivalent to 9.5 horsepower. Stand by for a moment, please. Folks, I have found myself a brand new honey, bright and sunny, don't care for money. We've got a system of loving, proud to say it's all our own. We never have to go out cabareting, leave the movies alone. Since all the world got into that new radio craze, we spend our evenings at home. My sweetie and me tune in on LOVE. That's where I get some program each night. Now WEAF's great, but I have this much to state, that there is none can compare with mine. Folks, it's just fine. Soon as I call, I get MISS, and sometimes out in the hall I get KISS. Why, it's the neatest and the sweetest little station of them all. You're bound to fall. Now for bundles of pleasure, I make it emphatic. Cupid will see you're not bothered by static. No need asking the experts, just take it from me. Tune in on LOVE. My girl called up last night for more love tuning, honeymooning, radio spooning. I left my worries behind me, hurried right down from my home. Even forgot to feed my poor starved kitty, left the book on the phone. Tune in on this and listen hard, you poor married men, when you are longing to roam. My sweetie and me turned in on LOVE. That's where I got some program last night. Now you've heard KDKA, and that's some station I'll say, but there was none that compared with mine. It was just fine. I thought I'd lose station LIFE, when from the air came the voice of my WIFE. She said, put on your hat and coat your boob and start right in to fly before you die. If I catch you again about this, there is no guessing. You and your sweetie will start SOSing. If you feel you must tune in on LOVE, tune in with no one but me. Like DAD, it said, tune off there, young fellow, it's now 3:30. Just give your station a vacation, say good night and close the door. Just let me snore. Now I know about love and its wonderful glories. Dawn is no time to tell sweet bedtime stories. If you'd rather not hook up with my DOG, sign off of LOVE.